Hello students, today we're going to start a new chapter in English. That is chapter number 7, Kashaba Jadhav. Students, have you heard about the Olympic Games? Yes, my dear students? Okay, I will explain you. Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletic events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medal. Students, when you win in sports, what do you get? Medals and certificate. Same year. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kashaba Jadhav. So today we will going to learn about Kashaba Jadhav. Kashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Saheb, was himself a wrestler. Kashaba Jadhav's father's name was Dada Saheb. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kashaba Jadhav. Dada Saheb himself taught his son wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kashaba Jadhav. From an early age, Kashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Bouts means match. Bouts means match. His father took him to see the bouts. From the time he was just 4 years old, he would sit on his father's shoulder and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon it became clear that he was also the best, not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Kashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, mulkam, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all these. He became strong and agile. Agile means able to move quickly and easily. Agile means able to move quickly and easily. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. Then he went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was a champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. He won the match with Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the bouts were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kashaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba Jadhav wished to take part in the Olympic again, but it was not an easy task for him. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of official. Merit means quality of being very good. Merit means quality of being very good. Also in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba Jadhav was very poor. He did not have that much money, and he did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College sold his own house and gave money to Kashaba. Other people in his village also helped him. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Kashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and Gulf countries. He won the first 5 bouts very easily within 5 minutes each bout. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes, but Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point. He was very tired and exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle immediately with a Soviet wrestler. According to the rule, he had to rest at least half an hour before the second bout. Kashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal. He won the third prize. When Kashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him. The people in his village were very happy and gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him. The villagers carried Kashaba Jadhav home to the sound of doles. Kashaba Jadhav did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first bout to raise money, not for himself, but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kashaba Jadhav to Helsinki. The principal got his house back. Kashaba Jadhav won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win greater honor for our motherland? Students, now come, let's learn some question answers. Answer the following questions. Then we have write opposites of. Then we have name the following. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care.